Hello everyone and greetings from the French Alps. This week I'm here in the French Alps because I'm hosting my first ever Qigong retreat here in September. We still have a few places left, so if you are interested and you wanted to join me here in September doing Qigong in the open air every day for 7 days, send me an email and I can follow up with more details. But now I invite you to join me for a short 10-minute stress relief Qigong. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position and take a moment here to adjust your posture, to relax into your body, to settle your mind and prepare yourself for a practice. Keep your feet firm on the ground, unlock your knees, relax your hips, then bring your tailbone slightly forward to help you relax through your lower back. Keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed. Then bring your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. And take a moment to become aware of your entire body. Notice how you feel. We're going to begin with a full body spontaneous shaking. This is my favorite exercise when you need a quick muscle tension release to help you relax the mind, relax the body. With your feet firm on the ground, generate the movement from your feet up. Gently bouncing into your feet, into your heels. Allow your muscles to relax and loosen up. Allow your joints to open. Allow yourself to soften. Keep your spine nice and straight. That helps with energy circulation up and down the spine. Helps to relax the nervous system. A gentle turn to the side. Keep things very light. Enjoy this moment. Feel your body letting go. Feel your body relaxing more and more. Very good. Slow it down and take a moment to feel what's happening. From here, we're going to take a couple of deep, comforting breaths. An easy long exhale, nose, mouth. Making your exhalation a little bit longer. Inhale as you open. Exhale. You can even make a sound ha, letting go, relaxing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, couple of those at your own pace. Exhale. Allow your mind to relax. Allowing your face to soften. Relaxing through your entire body. One more time, breathe in. And let out. Very good. From here, bring your hands to the chest, rotate and stretch upwards, opening through the rib cage, through the chest. Release, bringing your hands back down to center. This is how it looks from the side. Bring your hands to the chest, lightly opening through the front of the body. Look up. Release the position allowing yourself to relax. The emphasis here on the front of the body, on the face, on the chest. So keep that in mind as you gently stretch upwards. Bring in your body weight slightly forward towards your toes. Release, relax in the front and the rest of the body. One more time. Relax. From here, bring your hands to the chest, separate and turn to the side, creating that gentle twist across the abdomen and the lower back. Turn your head to look behind. Release, bringing yourself back to center, and we go again. Open to the other side. Come back. Inhale as you open and turn. Exhale as you relax. Keep your knees soft, your lower back relaxed. Inhale, opening up through the spine. Exhale. One more time on each side. Inhale to open. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let your hands rest by the side. From here, inhale as you open your hands out. Exhale, bringing your hands down the center. Turn your palms, slide your hands to the back, gently push forward, open up. Release the position. We're going forward with a straight back, as low as you wish. Take your time to open and lengthen through your entire spine, including the back of the neck. And then move your hands to the front and slowly raise up. Bringing your hands to your lower abdomen. Inhale as you raise up. Exhale as you bring in a calming energy down. Feeling centered, feeling grounded. Slide your hands to the back. Push forward, open up. Gently release the position, allow your lower back to relax fully. Going forward to stretch the back, down the back of the legs, behind and the back of the neck. And slowly raise up. Allow yourself to relax and settle here. Twice more like that. Exhale. Inhale as you move across. Exhale as you push forward, look up. Inhale as you transition. Exhale forward. Inhale, come back up. Exhale into your belly, settle in. Inhale one more time here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale forward. And a big breath in, slowly raise up. Bring your hands to your abdomen. Relax in your entire body. Gently bring your feet together. Keep in the good posture. Take a moment here to feel centered and aware. Feel free to close your eyes if it feels good. Bringing your attention to your body, to the center of your core, to your abdomen, just below your belly button. Sending all your attention there and simply being present with yourself. Take a couple of deep, comforting breaths through the nose. And feel all the stress melting away. Simply escaping the body. Simply draining down the back, the legs, and escaping into the earth. Slowly come back to your space, open your eyes, and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me today in this beautiful place. I hope you found this routine helpful. I hope you feel a little bit better. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. That means a lot to me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.